Oh boy, jelly beans. The world filled with jelly beans. Oh, it's Easter. Or it's gonna be Easter. Easter Sunday. And sometimes for Easter, you might get jelly beans. Now, I would normally sit on the floor to do this, but I can't do it because Macy would eat the jelly beans. But we're gonna work with our jelly beans. And today, if you have jelly beans, or when you get your jelly beans this weekend, if you get some, then you could also make lines with jelly beans. Yes. And so I want you to see, I'm going to grab a handful of jelly beans and I'm going to make a line with those jelly beans. Right now it's just a pile. But let's see what kind of line I want you to see. Now, I'm kind of doing this the fast way. Let's see. Ooh, what kind of line is that? What does it remind you of? Now, if I take some of these jelly beans and move them around, ooh, let's see what I'm going to make now. I just made a zig. Uh-oh, I've got some stuck jelly beans. So I just drew another line with my jelly beans. I made a zigzag. It kind of looks like a Z. Or maybe, oh, I know. If I took some of these and I moved them down here, I could even draw something, and I bet you'll know what it is. It's the letter A. That's right. Now, so the art today is all about drawing with jelly beans. So I could even take them, and I wonder if you know what I'm making now. Ooh, I'm going to move some of these from my A over. Oops, one didn't land on back on the table. Wonder where it went. Oh dear. What is that? It's the number 2. Jelly bean 2. Now, we can also make all kinds of lines. I think if you remember some of our different kinds of lines, like we can do a wavy line. This looks like the wave in the water. So your job today is to see how many kinds of lines that you can make with jelly beans. Now, wait a minute. Whoa. And remember, don't let the dog eat the jelly beans. Another thing that we could play around with is symmetry. And symmetry, oh, is a very special word. That's a hard word to say. Can you say it? Symmetry. Symmetry means whatever is happening on one side is happening on the other side. Now, I could do the same color. If I wanted to do the same color, maybe I would move the orange one over here. So symmetry means it has the same weight, or it's in the same place but on the opposite side. So if I put this yellow one here, then I'd put another yellow one over there. So you can, oops, now see this one was way too close to that orange. So I want to spread it out a little bit. It kind of looks like a cross, which actually is the perfect thing for Easter. Now I could actually do something called radial symmetry, and that means on all 4 sides, I repeat something. So I make it very balanced. So balance is a special word seen in art. It's a special word seen in art that means that things are of the same weight. Now, it could be the same weight in terms of color or just shape or size or how heavy something is. So that is a very balanced radial symmetry. So you're going to play around with drawing lines. Ooh, let's see if you know what kind of line this is. I'm going to move them around. Let's see what else I can do. So I want you to, oh, and maybe you could even do, oh, let's see. I want to do this really bad. I want to make a smiley face. I gave it away. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? So I made a smile, but what's missing? What's missing? Oh, look, an eye and another eye. So happy face. Now wait, whoa. Let's say, oh my goodness, you're like, but Miss Bailey, I don't have any jelly beans. Well, do you have marshmallows? Do you have, let's see what else. Oh, look, and, oh, wait a minute, oh! There goes Louie. He's like, I want to play. Don't let the cat get in your jelly beans. But look, I have popcorn. So I could draw lines with popcorn. Now I could just slide them around. Oh, and what am I making right here? What is that? That's a big giant one. And so I can move them around and turning them into, what I'm going to make now? Another two? Look at that. That was so easy. I could even use peanuts. Oh my goodness. How many of you have ever seen peanuts in a shell? This is how they grow. So it's an actual kind of seed, nut, and the peanut is inside. Now I could sit here and take all the peanuts out, or I could just use the peanuts in the shell to make my lines too. Whoops, that's like the letter I with a dot on top. Isn't that funny? So today's art activity is all about drawing with things that you might have, either jelly beans for Easter, peanuts, corn, marshmallow, corn kernels, that is, marshmallows. You could even go outside and get yourself some little bitty rocks. You can draw with all kinds of things. Have fun and happy Easter. Bye.